it's Martin here from Elite Computers UK. I just wanted to sort of introduce the page basically. Um, it's a brand new company started by myself and one of my friends. At the minute, we're getting a lot of requests for new PC builds, probably because of Christmas and things. So I just wanted to just give an introduction of a bit about myself and the guys we're working with. So myself, my name's Martin, 30 years old. I've been building computers since I was 14, so 16 years now. Um, Sort of started as a hobby. I've had other jobs in the past, and I've just decided it's probably now time to go out and do something in and around what I'm interested in, and hopefully along the way make some money while I'm doing it. Behind me, you'll see some of the parts, so I'll just move the camera down a little bit for you. So all of our builds are all brand new. Like starting from £300 up to whatever you want. Whether you want it custom built, whether you want it water cooled, it's totally up to yourself. But this was just an introduction for myself. The other guy, John, he's 31. He's also been building PC since he was like 14, 15 years old. So we've got a large sort of depth of knowledge in regards to PC building. So at the minute, just to let you know where we are, we're currently on Facebook at Elite Computers UK on Facebook. We've just purchased the domain, which I believe is elitecomputersuк.pro. So stand by for the website. The website's going to be up as well. Just to be honest, we were sick of people being ripped off by companies. I'll spec a computer for £300–400 cheaper than the likes of Vibox, for example. They had a computer for £1,900. We could build the same computer, same case, same spec, same everything for £500 less. So yeah, it was just an introduction, and I hope to see you on the page, and hit subscribe as well also, but also help. We're going to be doing a lot of reviews, so you know, from gaming headsets, gaming mice, processors, graphics cards, all that sort of stuff. So just stay by the page, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Thanks.
Bye.